Hey there, fellow animal lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of the slowest animals on Earth. So, get comfy, and let's meet these giants that take life in the slow lane. First up, we have the three-toed sloth. These adorable creatures are basically the poster animals for slow. Moving at a max speed of 0.24 kilometers per hour, they spend most of their lives hanging upside down in the trees of Central and South America. Their slow pace is perfect for conserving energy and avoiding predators. Next, the giant Galapagos tortoise. These ancient reptiles can live over 100 years and move at a leisurely speed of 0.3 kilometers per hour. Found in the Galapagos Islands, their slow movement allows them to conserve energy and survive on their low-calorie diet of grass and leaves. Our third slowpoke is the starfish. Yes, you heard me right. Starfish, also known as sea stars, crawl along the ocean floor at a snail's pace of about 0.09 kilometers per hour. Their slow movement helps them sneak up on unsuspecting prey like clams and oysters. Speaking of snails, let's talk about the garden snail. These tiny mollusks move at an almost glacial pace of 0.03 kilometers per hour. While they're slow, they play a crucial role in the ecosystem by breaking down decaying plant material. Now, meet the koala. These cute marsupials from Australia spend most of their time dozing in eucalyptus trees. They move at a relaxed speed of 0.2 kilometers per hour when they're awake. Their slow pace is due to their low-energy diet, which consists mostly of eucalyptus leaves. Finally, we have the seahorse. These fascinating creatures swim at a speed of 0.015 kilometers per hour. They use their dorsal fin to propel themselves and prefer to stay camouflaged among seaweed and coral to avoid predators. So, there you have it, the top 6 slowest animals on the planet. Each one has adapted to a unique way of life that suits their slow and steady pace. Sometimes, taking it slow really does win the race. Thanks for tuning in. If you loved meeting these slow-motion giants, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome animal content.